Hello guys, welcome once again. In this video I will show you how to open a directory and list out all the folders and files in that directory in this list box. So suppose you have some folder, you have some folder again in that folder or directory, and you have some files. So it's the mixture of files and folder in the root folder or whatever you selected, and you want to list out in this list box. So how can you do it? I will show you. So just take a button. This is a simple button and I renamed it and resized it, and this is a list box, so you can find it here in the toolbox. Just this button and just this list box you have to take, and now click this button and double click it, and in here we are going to write the code. First of all, what you need to do is you need to import this using directive. So write using system.io, because we are dealing with files and folders, so we need this using directive. And in this button click event I have already written a small code to open folder browser dialog. So this folder browser dialog will open your folder dialog so that you can select the directory from this folder dialog. And so what I have done is I have written folder browser dialog and I have given it name is equal to new folder dialog, and I'm checking if my folder dialog or my selected path from the dialog is correct or not. And if it's correct, now I will write my code for listing the files and folder in this list box. So first of all, what I will do is I will clear the list box if I want to use it again and again. So I will write list box once again, list box dot items dot clear. So it will clear the list box first, and now what I will do is I will declare two strings. So I will write string array files. The first string will contains the file names, and then I will write directory dot get files and bracket close, and I will pass a argument here. So just copy this file folder browser dialog object dot selected path. Okay, so this is uh, the array which will contain the all the files which are there inside the selected directory. Now I want to make a array, so I will copy it once again and paste it here. And now I want to make a array which will hold all the directories in that selected directory. So I will write the string name as directories dirs does, and here instead of get files I will write directory dot get directories. Okay, and this will remain the same. So now I have all the files and directories inside my arrays. Now I just want to show in this list box, so I will write for each, once again, for each, and I will make a string variable here. So I will write string file in my file array. So I'm searching files in my file array. Then I will just close this and I will add those file in my directory. So what I will do is listbox dot add dot items dot add. So items dot add, and you can just copy this file variable and paste it here. This is not files which is our array, but this file variable. Okay, in the same way I will copy this for each loop once again and paste it just below my other loop, and I will write here dir for directory, and I will just copy this direct dirs array and paste it here. So I'm listing all the directories, and now I will copy this directory here. So it will add all the files in the list box and all the directories in the list box, right? So this is the code to list out all the files and folder in the directory and in the list box. So let's run our program, and it's running now. I will just select a folder, open folder browser, and I will select a folder. So I will select this folder and I click OK, and it will list out all the files. You can see .jpg, .xml, and it also lists out all the directories also. And if you don't want to show this whole path, you just want to show the file name only and directory name only, and you don't want to show the whole path, what you can do is you can just go here and just close this file in the bracket, one more brackets. So add this bracket and write here path dot get file name, and same thing you can do it with this directory here. So write directory, just enclose it in other bracket and just paste it here. Now when you run the program, it's showing some error. Let's see what it is. Yeah, we are short of one bracket. So now when I run the program and I select the same directory and I open it, it just shows the file names and directory names. It doesn't show the whole path of the file and directories. So in this way you can list out all the files and folder in the selected directory in the list box. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please keep watching these videos and please rate, comment and subscribe.